Python is a unique programming language that can be used for many things, including machine learning, data analysis, and more. But today, we're going to look at some simple projects in Python. So I had actually wanted to make a grade checker for students, especially in the university. So I made some imagination of how I want it to be. So let us go through it, work it together. So first thing we should know is that we want to know the total grade points. So we say the total grade points. Total grade points equals 0. Okay, we also want to know oh yeah, this is a good point. Good point. Total good point okay equals 0, and then here we say total credits are not total credits are, say let's say total credits are alright. So in the first section, you may want to ask the user to input the total number of courses. So you say courses equals to int, because it should be an integer input. Come on, your input. Let's say, what do you want it to input? Say enter number of courses. Enter number of courses, right? Enter number of courses. Enter number of courses. Let that be shown as. Okay. Next, you say for I in range courses. Okay, so we should have, okay, great. Let's say input, no, we say grade input enter your grade, or enter grade. Enter grade, and say creditor. Yeah, it's an integer, so say input enter credit hour. Okay, so I think this one is okay. Then we say now if grade equals A, equals grade equals A. Let's the point equals 5. Alright, then we see elif grade equals B. Yeah, let's the point equals 4. Good. So let's just copy this one. Okay, change this one to C, say C, and then this one to 3. Do the same for this side. Change this one to D, and this one to 2, and then change this one to E, and then this one to 1, and finally I'll say else point is equal 0 or invalid entry. Okay. Alright, so let's just run this program and see if it's working fine. Yeah, it's taken. Okay, enter number of courses. So let's enter 3 for now. Enter grade, we say A, credits are 3. Okay, we enter again, let's say B this time, and we enter credits are, we say 3. Let's say C, we enter credits are 4, right? Okay, it's working well, it's working fine. So now we want to have a total grade point. So say total grade equals the sum of grade points. Okay, so grade points. Now let's have total grade. That's good points. Total grade equals the sum of the grade multiplied by the credit. So let's just change this one to grade, not grade points. Okay. So this is okay now. Then we say total credits hour equals the sum of credit hour. Good. So I think this should be working fine. Alright, great, alright. Okay, so now we say total let's say grade points equals total grade divided by total credit hour. Okay, total credit hour. Okay, now let's just ask it to print format of let's say your grade point is, let's watch what is happening. The grade point is, okay, so let's have our grade point. Okay, so let's just see if it works. Alright, enter number of courses. To test it faster, let's say 3 again. Enter grade, you say A, credit hour 4. Okay, we're having an issue here. Sister grade, credit hour 122. Okay, let's see what might have been the problem. We have it here, total credit hour, total grade. Yes, and credit hour is the enter. Okay, sorry, this is not, should not be grade, it should be point. It should be the point. Okay, now this should work just fine. Let's see. Alright, enter courses. Now for this one, we just enter 2. You see C, credit hour is 3. You see D, credit hour is 3. Good, your grade point is 2.5. Okay, nice, it's now working. Alright, so I think this is just fine. This is just an example of a simple project. This is a grade checker, grade points checker, I would say so. Yeah, for students, maybe in university or school. So it will work just fine any amount of module or subjects or courses. Even if you want to ask it to give you the score of 50 courses, and just enter 50. For here, let's just test 5. So if you say A and the credit hour is 3, we enter another one which is C and the credit hour is 4, and your grade here is D and the credit hour is 3. Your grade here is A, credit hour is 3. Your grade here is B, credit hour is 2. Your grade point is 3.733. Yeah, so there's another way even to give you the approximation of your answer. Okay, you can just change this one to double the division, double forward slash, and then you have grade points to be different. Now if we you won't see any decimal. Okay, number of courses is 2, grade is A, credit hour is 3, and grade is B, credit hour is 3. So let's see, just for your grade point is 4 with no decimal point. Okay, so this is just how to work things through. There's another better way to do it, but I think this is more simpler and even more shorter. So it's a cleaner code. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you.